Okay. So let me go ahead with the next question. So we saw only a narrowing part, that is bigger data type is going to assign with the lower data type. So now we are going to assign a lower data byte to the bigger one. Okay, the bigger one to the lower one. Here, just check it. So float value f equal to 10.5 have assigned. This is going to be assigned to int a equal to f. So this f and float and int is having a 4 byte, right? But here what I'm doing, I'm just changing the type definition. So what I supposed to do here? Will this throw any error? Will this throw any error? Executing the program, you will get an error called possibly lossy conversion from float to the integer type. So float to the integer type, you will be getting an error because even it is both are a 4 byte memory allocation, but you will be having a exponent value, right? So that is Mantissa exponent will be there. So you are supposed to make the real value into a integer value. So you are supposed to give the type conversion of this. Either you can give it here or else there. So I'm just giving a braces for both. If it's an expression, you can directly go ahead with the brackets. Now we won't get an error. So my class name is LWD. So you'll get 10.5 and 10. So that is, it is giving the truncation of this. So you'll be getting 10.5 for F and A is going to be assigned as int of. So you'll be getting only the Mantissa, then the remaining decimal part you won't get. Okay. So this is called binary. Okay. So let me go ahead with one more example, that is addition value with the different data types. So what would be the output of this program? What would be the output of this program? Listen, here even the byte value A and B, C is also byte, result container is going to have a byte size. Okay, A equal to 5, B equal to 6. This addition is going to result a integer. Okay, so what will happen? Byte plus byte is not going to result a byte. You will get a integer. So this is going to give an error. So let me go ahead with the execution part. Then you guys will get a clear idea. Then again I'll come to the logic of this. This is MCQ number 2. So Java MCQ number 2. So you'll get an error, possibly lossy conversion from int to the byte. So my result is int, but it's stored in a result variable is what? Byte. Even the byte variable is mentioned here. This result is going to be an integer. Okay. So listen guys. So what will happen here is you have a addition of different data type comes under a different value, right? If you have a byte plus byte, what will happen? The result is going to be int. Short plus short is going to be int. Again, byte plus short is also int. Short plus long. So whatever it is, a integer type classification is comes under byte, short, int is going to be result always a int value, the maximum value. If any one of the value is going to be added with a long, then you will get a long result. Okay, int plus long is also long result, long plus long is also long result, short plus long, byte plus long, whatever it is, you will be having a long result. If you're going with the other data type, that is character, non-numeric data type, character plus character is also int. Why? Because ASCII value of the character 1 is going to be added to the ASCII value of character 2. Now if you're adding a character plus double is going to give a maximum value is double only, it's not a int value. Okay, so again a int plus double is going to give a real value. Integer plus the real value is going to be again a double. So float values are not going to be mentioned. You will be having a maximum value is what? Double. Double plus float is also double. Okay, so this is how you will be having a different data type result addition. Okay, so now my output is byte value A and B. A equal to 5, B equal to 6, both pair a byte type, and the result container is also byte, but it not result with a byte value. What will happen? A plus B is going to result a integer. So if I want to make a type conversion, I mean if I want to give a byte result, I have to give a explicit conversion of a expression byte. Okay, so then only you won't get any error. Okay, so let me go ahead with the execution part of the same program. Now this time you won't get error. So I'll be getting 11. So this byte value will be converted as a integer when we are doing a byte operation. Okay, so this is going to result a integer, long, and we are adding a long value. If it is a character value, integer, and character plus double. Okay, I hope everyone clear. This is how you are having a different data type addition value.